Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to save WhatsApp status videos without any application. Launch the WhatsApp application on your phone. Within WhatsApp, select the specific contact whose status you want to download. Watch the status you are interested in. Statuses are usually visible at the top of the chat screen. Navigate to your phone's file management system, often labeled as My Files or File Manager depending on your device. While in the File Manager, locate and tap on the three vertical dots situated in the top right corner of the screen. In the menu that appears, select Settings. Look for an option similar to Show Hidden System Files and toggle it on. This step is essential for accessing certain hidden folders. After enabling hidden system files, go back to the main File Manager screen and tap on Internal Storage. Within the internal storage, tap on All to ensure you have access to all files on your device. Scroll down and find the Android folder. Navigate further to Media and then to com.whatsapp. Continue by entering the WhatsApp folder. Within Media, locate and tap on the Statuses folder. Inside the Statuses folder, press and hold the file of the status you wish to save. Alternatively, select multiple files by tapping on each. Once selected, tap on Copy from the available options. Return to the main internal storage directory. Find and select the DCIM folder. Tap on the three vertical dots within the DCIM folder. Choose Create Folder from the menu. Name the new folder, for example, Status WhatsApp. Open the newly created folder and tap on Copy Here. Navigate back to the main File Manager screen and check within the Status WhatsApp folder to ensure your statuses were successfully copied. Open your phone's Gallery application to confirm that the saved statuses are now visible and accessible. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below and I will see you in the next one.